Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Before I start today's lesson, we're going to be doing a worship song, Goodness of God by Bethel choir, and we're going to be playing in a key of A flat. Alright, and before I do that, I would like you to subscribe to my new website. It's called Love World Music Training Center. Now, this website was created for a whole lot of things. We're going to be doing piano tutorials for beginners and intermediate players. We're going to be doing guitar lessons, saxophone, drum lessons, bass guitar, and I would like you to go there and register ahead. We've started uploading some of the piano tutorials there. Now, the website is to finally arrange everything I have on my YouTube there, so that when you are on that website, you can follow the tutorials the way it is supposed to be. You can learn them step by step. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial for today. Goodness of God. I'm going to be playing the song. When I finish, I'll show you the chords anyhow I do it. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is your chord 1. Okay, this is the intro. So we're playing a chord 1 with the sus4 in it. So you can do the first one as a suspended chord. Then you do that's the intro. So you are doing a chord 1, sus2, and then a sus4. So then da 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 da. Alright, so let's learn the first piece that I just played. And as previously, this is the intro for chord 1. I love you, Lord. Okay. Then you move to a chord 4. Da, 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 da. Okay. Then you do a 7, 6. So I love you, Lord. Da, 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 da. Back to 1. Then you do a 7, 6. Okay. Now this, I'm playing this 6. Okay. So with this, that's why it seems I'm playing 1 over the 6. So I'm playing this chord. So da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Then 7, 6. Then you move to a 4. Da, 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 da. Okay, so the 5, I played a suspended chord. Now it's the same as this. So I only brought the B flat here. So let's start again. I love you, Lord. Da 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 da. Okay. Then you continue from the 6 to a 4. I lay down my head. 1, 7, 6. Okay. Then you move to a 4 again. Of your goodness to 5, then back to 1. Okay, so let me quickly do everything that I've done. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. Da 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 da. I lay down my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Okay, then you do this. Now, anytime you're about to move to a chord 4, depending on the song, the tempo, how fast or slow it is, you can play a flat 7 over 5. Okay, so this is the chord. So you form a major chord, a flat 7 over 5. So to a 4. All my life you have been faithful. 1 to 4. All my life you have been so good. Okay, so at this time from chord 4, you come back to 1 and then to 5. Now this is how I'm playing the 5. Okay, so let's do it again. All my life you have been faithful. Da 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 da. Then to a 4. Da 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 da. 1, 7, 6. Da da da. Chord 4. Da 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 da. Chord 5 of God. Okay. 1. Then you do a 4. You can do your 4 like this. Your goodness is running after me. Okay, this is a chord 1 also. It's just an inversion. If I move this one here, it becomes what we played here. Okay. Okay, so you can do a chord 3 like this before you move to a 4. Or you can do your 3 like this. Okay, so this one is just a suspended chord. I'm playing a 5th chord as suspended over the 3. So, the goodness of God, your goodness is running after me. Or you can do, your goodness is running after, da 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 da. So you can choose this or this. Your goodness is running after. So this chord is just, if you bring this G here, it becomes like this. B flat here. Okay. So this is a chord that I inverted. You're running after me. Your goodness is running out. Chord 4, 5, 1. Da 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 da. 3. Da 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 da. I gave you everything. So this is where you play a diminished chord. After the is from the 5. You do a diminished before the 6. Okay. Sorry. So if this is 5, this is a sharp 6. or you can call it a flat 6, because this is a 6 actually. So either a sharp 6, a sharp 5, or a flat 6. Any of them will do, but you create a diminished chord. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so da 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 Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Okay, so these are the chords you need to know after all this. Your chord 1, your suspended chord 1, your add 9 chord 1, and then your suspended sus 4 chord 1. Okay, you need to play chord 7. Your chord 7, so you could play like this. Okay, so okay, so this is chord 7, this is chord 6, this is chord 4. Now this is chord 5, or this one. Now this is your diminished chord or your flat 6 chord. This is your third chord this way, or you can choose this one or this one. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial. God bless you and see you next time.